welcome back to DesignBeau. Oh my god, thank you so much for coming back to see me. How are y'all doing? I feel like it's been ages since I did a video, so I thought I'd better come back, say Happy New Year. When exactly is it etiquette to stop saying Happy New Year? Well, do you know what? Happy New Year. The first video for DesignBeau 2024, and thank you for joining me. And if you do like what you see today, make sure you like and subscribe for more updates and get on those notifications. Give me a little follow, and don't forget them socials: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok even. Yep, I TikTok. I'm not the best, but I do try and TikTok. So I hope you're having a great 2024 up to now, and I just wanted to come on and tell you what I have planned for 2024. What does DesignBeau have in store for you? Well, let me tell you, I am so excited. I'm so excited to get started. I have so many ideas. They're just like popping out my brain. I need to contain them all and actually make them real. So bear with me, join me for the ride, and let's get to it. In DesignBeau's headline, I am going to open up the books so one of you can have a DesignBeau consultation where I will come to your home. I will help you style. I'll give you lots of tips and ideas and inspiration. We can use what you have. We'll pick one room, an area that we can design together. How does that sound? Got to be just one opportunity to do that. And I thought, how fantastic would it be if we could film it and showcase it to everyone on my design platforms, and to show people out there what they can do in their own homes to create their interior styling dreams and create the decor they've always dreamed of without breaking the bank. We can be savvy, we can be sassy, I don't know, but we can have lots of fun and just make beautiful interiors. So what will you need to do this? How do you get your opportunity to come on my YouTube channel and have my design services? Well, you gotta follow. Yep, you gotta follow, you have to subscribe, and give me some love, guys. Get on them comments, get engaging, get subscribing to YouTube. Take yourself over to the website designbeau.co.uk. On there you can subscribe to newsletters where you'll get updates sent directly to you, so you won't miss out on this amazing opportunity. So I'm currently working on something amazing. I love it, and it's something that I can create that's going to help you guys even further along your design journey. So keep tuned. Giving all these little teasers, but this is why I want you to come back. I want you to stay. I want you to follow me. Keep joining me. So keep your eyes peeled for that one too. It will be available to buy. We can do purchase. We can have a DesignBeau shop, but we're going to have a giveaway because I love giving and sharing. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. What kind of interior designer would I possibly be if I did not do interior design trends of 2024? We can do a what's hot and a what's not. What we love, what not so much. We could do that. Design trends of 2024 and how we can incorporate these trends into our home decor. I have to stay current. As I'm a designer, I've got to stay in it. I've got to be in it to win it. So we will be looking at the colours of the year. And we'll start with Pantone's colour of the year, peach, fuzzy peach. There's a lot of controversy about this colour at the minute. I am somewhere in the middle. I'm taking in both opinions. I want to do a whole video about it. I want to show people how we can use it, where it's being used. Why don't people like it? Where's it come from? Where do design trends come from? So many questions, so many videos, So you have to stay with me. There's so much to learn in 2024. There's so much to do together, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait for this year. Like this video, share it, and make sure you come back for our next range of videos for this new year. Thanks very much for joining me, and I shall see you soon. Bye.